The V10 Air Plasma Sterilizer is a safe, intuitive, and environmentally friendly solution for low-temperature veterinary instrument sterilization. The V10 is easy to install and operate. Here's everything you need to know to get started. Your V10 Air Plasma Sterilizer comes with all you need to complete at least 15 sterilization cycles. Inside the box, you'll find the V10 unit, a user manual, the quick start guide, and a power cord. The V10 components are shipped inside the unit and can be accessed after the device is powered up. This includes the sterilization tray, the bubbler humidifier, the catalyst canister, the desiccant canister, 4 canister connectors, a box of chemical indicator strips, and an electrical connector protection kit. Plug in the unit using the provided power cord and turn on the sterilizer using the power switch on the back face of the unit. Once the system has booted up, the sterilization chamber door will unlock, and the components shipped inside the sterilization chamber can be accessed and installed. Assemble the bubbler humidifier by pushing the 2 supplied pieces of tubing onto the 2 barb inlets on the lid. Fill the humidifier housing with distilled water to just below the maximum mark. Be sure to use distilled water only. Remove the protective plugs from the fittings on the right side of the V10 unit. To remove the plugs, push down on the collet on the female push-to-connect fitting while pulling out the plug. Unfold the holder on the right side of the V10 and place the bubbler humidifier in the holder. Insert the push-to-connect fittings at the end of the humidifier tubing into the fittings located on the sterilizer. Insert fully until the fittings are securely held in place. To install the catalyst, first remove the protective plugs from the canister and the V10 unit. Push the black part of the larger connector into the top of the catalyst canister and a smaller connector into the bottom. Press the catalyst connectors into the catalyst fittings on the right side of the unit. Give a firm tug to each connector to ensure it is securely held in place. To install the desiccant canister, again, remove the protective plugs from the canister and the V10 unit. Push a smaller connector into both the top and bottom of the desiccant canister. Press the desiccant connectors into the desiccant fittings on the right side of the unit. Give a firm tug to each connector to ensure it is securely held in place. A plasma sheet should come pre-installed in your unit. Before using your V10, ensure the thumb nuts holding the plasma sheet in place are finger tight and that the plasma sheet is securely held in place. Before sterilizing instruments in your unit, it's important to run a test cycle. Place 2 of the included chemical indicator strips inside the sterilization basket, and then slide the basket into the chamber and close the door. Ensure all 4 latches are turned fully to the right. Now tap anywhere on the screen and follow the prompts to begin a sterilization cycle. Your V10 Air Plasma Sterilizer will run through its preconditioning process and complete a full sterilization cycle. Once the test cycle is finished, verify that the stripe on both chemical indicator strips have fully changed color from red to yellow. Your V10 Air Plasma Sterilizer is now ready to use. Please carefully review the user manual and operator training guide for more information about compatible materials, recommended sterilization pouches and wraps, and other best practices and tips. Thank you for choosing the V10 Air Plasma Sterilizer. If you have any further questions, please reach out to us at support@plasmabionics.com.